Generally, the error code L4 in air conditioning units is directly associated with the following causes. 1. Problems with the compressor that prevent it from starting normally. 2. Compressor startup with irregular current consumption in one of the motor's coils, or overall current consumption above normal. 3. Failures in the Intelligent Power Module, IPM, located on the external electronic board, which supplies current to the compressor. 4. Increased temperature of the fin or heat sink of the inverter unit on the external board. Below are some of the most recognized manufacturers that use the L4 code in their equipment. Voltas, AUX, Midea, Daikin, York, PL, Carrier, Blue Star, Amstrad, Lloyd. Now let's explain some recommendations to resolve the L4 error code.
1. Disconnect the equipment for several minutes, and check for the recurrence of the error. 2. Confirm that the equipment's power supply voltage is adequate. 3. If the error reoccurs, inspect the condition of the outdoor unit's capacitor, ensuring it is completely clean, and verify the proper operation of the fan. 4. Conduct a detailed inspection of the cables, especially those supplying power to the inverter compressor, ensuring they are secure. Problems on the card can be identified by rapid LED flashing. 5. Evaluate the state of the compressor coils, using a multimeter, disconnecting the voltage supply. If the coils do not show practically equal resistance values, it is recommended to replace the compressor due to electrical issues. 6. If the compressor is in good condition, perform a thorough inspection of the tracks on the external electronic card. Visually check the state of the capacitors and correct any identified issues on the tracks. 7. Using a multimeter with the card disconnected, check the value of the electrical resistances on the external card, starting with those near the IPM module. Replace any resistances with abnormal values with ones that have the same specifications.